Welcome to Mathematics, where maths becomes easy, fun, and exciting. So far in our geometry journey, we have learnt about points, lines, planes, and angles. These are like the building blocks of geometry. Today we are going to learn about something very important and very interesting: polygons. You may not realize it yet, but polygons are everywhere around you. In your classroom, at home, on the road, and even on your notebook. What is a polygon? You already know many polygons, even if you don't know their names. Look around. So what exactly is a polygon? A polygon is a shape with many sides. But wait, not every shape with sides is a polygon. To understand polygons clearly, we must learn their special rules. Every polygon has three important parts. Let's meet them one by one. 1. Sides. Sides are straight line segments. These lines join together to form the shape. Important, curved lines are not sides of a polygon. 2. Vertices. A vertex, plural vertices, is a corner. It is the point where two sides meet. Think of vertices as the turning points of the shape. 3. Angles. When two sides meet at a vertex, they form an angle. Every vertex has one angle. In a shape with 5 sides, 5 vertices, 5 angles. Now here comes a very important rule. A polygon must be a closed shape. But what does closed mean? A shape is closed if all its sides are connected. There are no gaps. You cannot enter or leave the shape without crossing a line. Open shapes, shapes with gaps. Open shapes are not polygons. Closed shapes, all sides are joined, no gaps, complete boundary. Only closed shapes can be polygons. Now another rule of polygons is, a polygon must be flat. That means it must be two-dimensional, 2D. All points must lie on the same plane. What about 3D shapes? A box, cube or pyramid is not a polygon. But here's something interesting. Each flat face of a 3D shape is a polygon. Example, a cube is not a polygon, but each square face of the cube is a polygon. Cool, right? Now we are ready for the perfect definition. A polygon is a shape with straight sides that has vertices and angles, is a closed shape, is two-dimensional, flat. If even one rule is broken, the shape is not a polygon. Let's play a fun game. Polygon or not a polygon? I'll show you a shape and you decide. Shape 1. Square. 4 straight sides, correct. 4 vertices, correct. Closed, correct. Flat, correct. Yes, a square is a polygon. Shape 2. Open shape. Straight sides, correct, but open, not a polygon. Shape 3. Irregular shape. Different side lengths, correct. Closed, correct. Straight sides, correct. Yes, still a polygon. Remember, sides do not have to be equal. Shape 4. Circle. Closed, correct. Flat, correct, but no straight sides. No vertices, not a polygon. Shape 5. Star. Straight sides, correct. Vertices, correct. Closed, Correct. Yes, a star can be a polygon. Shape 6, dog. It's cute but not a polygon. Shape 7, curve. A curve, not a polygon. Polygons must have only straight sides. Shape 8, crossing lines. Lines cross, open, not a polygon. Shape 9, 3D shape. Not flat, not a polygon. Some polygons have special names based on the number of sides. Here are the most important ones. Triangle, 3 sides, very important in geometry. Quadrilateral, 4 sides, quad means 4. Example, square rectangle. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Octagon, 8 sides. Regular versus irregular polygons. Regular polygon, all sides and angles are equal. Irregular polygon, sides or angles are not equal. Final thoughts. Now you know what a polygon is, what makes a shape not a polygon, parts of a polygon, special names of polygons. You're ready to move forward in geometry. The exercises are easy, so no excuses. Good luck. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching Mathematics. See you soon.